Okay.
Good day and welcome back to my channel, MTN Possibilities. Thank you so much for coming back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how we are installing our Starlink Mini kit at a location in Bulawayo in Makwekwe Nodes. The customer bought through us and now we're helping them to install, and then we'll be helping them throughout the whole process. So this is the kit that we'll be installing today, and come in and we'll install together. So this is the kit and I'm unboxing with you. We have now established that this is not the manual, but the manual is this here. It actually shows what will be happening. This is our kit. This is how you connect the cable, and this cable will be connected to the power. And then this is our app that we need on the phone. You can use the scan code to actually download the Starlink app. Once you've got the app, you then use it to align and you are done. So this is now how it is done. Once you have established everything, you can now put it up there and it's working. As you can see, the signal is there and it will be communicating with the satellites up there. So let's do this. This is our kit. Here we are. Like they are saying, this is the kit. This is it. And this is the power cable. This is the power cable. So let me open the power cable. Let me just open the power cable here, and we connect it. Okay. So this is our connecting the power, the Starlink Mini kit to this one, and also this edge side we connect to the power cable. This is the power cable. Now I'm connecting, and then I'll put it on to power, and let's start installing. All right, so the installation first, and this is the installation kit that we're going to be using for the pole, so that it stands on the pole, and then we can, yeah. So let's do it together. So first thing, what that we're going to be doing is to locate where would be the best place to locate the Starlink kit. We can use the existing poles that are already there for these satellite dishes. You know, most of these satellite dishes are no longer working. So the only working one right now is that one. So we can use this one, the poles for this, to actually put our Starlink kit for now. We just want the height. That pole will be used, but we can also have our own. So let's So we've just exchanged that satellite dish. Now we're putting the Starlink Mini there. The advantage of this is that it is the right height. You know, with the urban areas, there are a lot of obstructions, trees, the houses that are close to each other. So you need a real big, a good height. Now we need to make that app is now communicating with Starlink Mini on top there. It will guide us with the tilt as well as the alignment. So we are now using the app to help us correct the tilt of the Starlink Mini. It has to be flat on the pole so that it has got the proper tilt, and it also has to have the right alignment so that it communicates nicely with the satellites up there. Try it's misaligned by 28%. 28%? Which direction? Manangi align as well. 10 Starlink. Usithi so. Align Starlink. Temporarily lost its position. Don't stand in front of your Starlink or jolt it while adjusting. So it's now okay, guys, but unfortunately while we're still working on it, the power cut, you know, the situation with the power in Bulawayo these days. So we had to switch to solar and configure the network while we were still there, so that the owners didn't have to worry about that afterwards. We had to make sure that they see it working. So there I am now configuring the network, and this is me changing the network's name. Initially it would just be Starlink, and it will be showing us how it goes. So we are now connecting and giving it a name. The network, we have to give it its name, and we're now working on the passwords and all that, so that they could then continue working while we were there. We were no longer there. So yes, guys, so that is how we installed our Starlink at a certain location in Makwekwe North. So if you are interested in the Starlink, the advantages of using a Starlink is that you really don't have to have a metered connection, so to speak. It's actually, it's uncapped. You just get to use as much as you want, and the speeds are wonderful. You can go to as much as 40 Mbps or even 80 at good times. So yes, this is the advantage. So take advantage of this while it still lasts, guys. Get in touch if you need more information. See you in the next video.